Hey guys, it's Caleb from Blackout. Let's see what we have in the shop this week. Over here we have a Tesla Cybertruck. It came in to get vinyl, but before that it got XR on all of the side windows, plus it got a sunroof. And now Tyler is doing vinyl. They're doing the gloss black, and then after that it's gonna go over to the ceramic bay and get a 4-year coating. And then on the lift here we have a 2024 Lamborghini Revolto. I really like this purple on it. With the 10 mil paint protection film full wrap, it makes it look even 10 times glossier. Aaron finished up last week, and now Max is doing the final touches on it. And then it's gonna go over to the tent bay and get full XR all the way around, and then windshield protection. After that, ceramic is going to do a 8-year coating on it. Over here up front, we have Max working on the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. They dropped off today to get paint protection film 8 mil track package, which includes the mirrors, hood, fenders, back bumper, and then on the door where the rocker piece is, but like at the bottom. Also, they decided to add the bedsides for a little extra coverage. And then also it's going to get our XPEL ceramic tent. Here we have this green Jeep Wrangler and for PPF. A lot of people don't know that we can put film in a lot of different places where there's paint. Today they brought in their Jeep to get a couple pieces done. They wanted just the hood, the A-pillars, and a partial roof, which is around this windshield here. And then they also got our wear and tear package, which is the door cup, the door edges, so like opening doors a little safer. And then if you open up here, they also did the door jamb to prevent scuffing. And the corner's Dean's 944 Porsche. As you can see, it's good for holding 5-gallon jugs. Must be a Porsche thing. Actually, he was having issues with the seal, so the water jugs are helping to prevent lay it down. In the ceramic bay, we have a 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. It's in for a 4-year coating. About this vehicle, I really like it because of the black accent pieces. And then with the 4-year ceramic, it makes it 10 times glossier. And the process of ceramic coating is this black 2024 GMC Sierra 1500. Tent finished up. It got front to back with our ceramic tent. And now the ceramic bay is doing a one-step polish to make sure that the paint looks pristine. And then it is getting the 4-year coating. In the wash bay over here, we have this 2024 GMC Sierra. It's in for an annual checkup just to make sure that it's performing well. Taking the step outside over here, first car, we have a 2021 Dodge Charger. It came in today to get XR full ceramic tent. This beautiful Audi A3 is in for a 2-week wash. As you guys can see, they just came from a road trip after getting ceramic done about 2 weeks ago. Check out this lovely blue Audi A5. It is in for ceramic tent. It got the visor and full car all the way around, 5%. Here we have this top of the line Honda. It's a Type R. It's in for our XR XPEL ceramic tent. They're getting a windshield and 55% and 5% all the way around. Another Z06 in for a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. Also going to go to the ceramic bay to get a 4-year coating after. It's never not a What's in the Shop Wednesday without a Z06. As you guys know, black is always terrible to take care of, but here we have this 2014 BMW 328 in for annual checkup. 2014 Volkswagen Jetta. It's in today to get a strip and retent. They're going to go with our CS carbon tent. All of our tent include lifetime warranty, so this will never happen again. Every Mopar fan's favorite color, plum crazy purple. This Challenger's in for XR tent all the way around, and it's also getting a 4-year ceramic coating. Up next in the ceramic bay is this 2024 Mercedes S580. It's getting our 8-year ceramic coating. Waiting for pickup is this 2024 Hellcat Jailbreak. It came in last week and received our 10 mil full XPEL paint protection film, and also got a 8-year coating and interior coating. That's it for me this week. Let's send it off to Luke in Gibsonia.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Outside, we got a couple vehicles that we're in for window tint. Firstly is this Mazda Miata. We did all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 30% tint. Behind the Miata is this Chevy Silverado. This vehicle got 20% tint on all the side windows and the back window, which, as you can see, makes the back windows 5% and the front windows 20%. Also parked outside here is a 2023 Audi Q8 e-tron. We did a full wrap and a coating on this vehicle last year. It's back in the shop now for an annual maintenance checkup. Next up, we have a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L. We did a track package on this vehicle, full paint correction and ceramic coating. And next up, we're going to be tinting these two front windows in 20% to make the entire thing match at 20%. And over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this brand new S63 AMG. This too got a track package and is currently in the works of a full paint correction and coating. As you can see, we also tinted the side windows and the back window of this vehicle in 20%. Next up for a ceramic coating is this Porsche 911. This one got also a track package. So we did the entire front and then even did an extended piece up on these wide hips that Porsche's had. And then we did a piece behind the back wheel. So a full track package on this vehicle. And we're going to be polishing out all this black paint. This is a 2018, so it has seen 6 years of wear and tear. Once the vehicle's polished, we'll be coating it in our 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. In the wash bay, we have Jason doing an annual checkup on this TRX. This was in the shop last year for a polish and coating. In the PPF bay, we got the team working on 2 vehicles. Firstly is this F-150 Raptor. As you can see, this is a very, very unique paint color. It's almost like a bronze green, depending on the light you're looking at it in. This is getting a full front along with the full rear flares. Next in line is this Civic Type R. This vehicle is getting a full front bumper along with the mirror cap. So all the high-risk areas on this vehicle are going to be protected. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll catch you guys back here next week.
Welcome to Florida, guys. Behind me is our big project of the week. This is a full removal and reinstall for a front end on a Corvette. Now, that doesn't seem like that big of a deal normally, but this film is a nightmare. Check it out. So it's a beautiful C7, and you can see that there's really no way to get this stuff off other than plastic scrapers, which are safe for paint if you know what you're doing. We're using a chemical to soften the adhesive. This is the 3rd day of removal. This stuff was no top coat and came off in tiny, tiny little pieces, so that they're getting the adhesive off now. What a nightmare. But once it's done, it's gonna have fresh Expel on the bumper, the fenders, the hood, and it's gonna look great. It's gonna last for 10 years. It's not gonna turn yellow and dull like that film did. We've got another team out at a house today that we can't show you, but we're doing a lot of tint down here for homes as well, stopping the heat, adding some privacy. So that's all that's happening this week in Florida. See you next week.